Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be washing my crochet braids. This is the crochet braid right here. I did this crochet braid 3 weeks ago in 2 days, 3 weeks and 2 days. So it's long overdue for a wash day. Take out the hairband. Wow, it's tangled. So first thing first, I'm going to start by detangling the hair. So now I'm going to separate my natural hair, which is the leaves. I got some new growth. So first thing first, I'm going to be detangling my hair before going ahead to wash it. I'm just going in to spray the water, so this will make the detangling process a lot easier. Okay, now I'm going to detangle the hair, starting from the tip. I'm going to work my way towards the root of the hair. Now that this section is detangled, I'm going to do a loose twist. Okay, so now that I've detangled my hair, I'm going to be detangling the crochet hair. So for the crochet hair, I'm going to do a loose braid. Just a little bit of the root of the hair, so that way I can go in with my fingers like this and just scrub and massage the scalp. Okay, so now that the hair is detangled and separated, I'm going to go and shampoo and condition the hair. Okay, I'm going to be using warm water for the process. Okay, also I'm going to be focusing on the root of the crochet braid, making sure to get the shampoo in there. Now I'm gonna go in with the conditioner and apply it on the hair.
Stay in school, kids.
Okay, so to get the conditioner into my roots without wasting the conditioner, I'm going to be adding warm water into this cup. Okay, I'm going to add conditioner. I'm going to mix it well. Okay, so I'm going to pour this conditioner water on my scalp. I'm going to put on my shower cap. Okay, it feels warm and nice underneath. Ooh, that feels good. All right, so I'm just gonna let it steam for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing out the conditioner. So now I'm going to apply leave-in conditioner. Next step now is to dry the hair and also stretch out my natural hair. Okay, so I'm going to go in and dry the hair. Feels soft. Okay, so I'm done with the crochet hair. So now I'm gonna work on my natural hair. Okay, so to stretch out my hair, I'm gonna go in with heat protectant to help protect my natural hair from the heat. I'm gonna go in with a generous amount, spray it all over the hair. I'm gonna stretch out the rest of camera real quick. So this is it right here. The wash day is complete. Go. So we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. I put a link to the video on how you can do this crochet braid if you want to do something like this. I'll put a link to that video in the description box. You can check the description box. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.